it's your girl Red coming to you with a video. I know the lighting is probably very bad in here. Um, I'm in my crafting slash tank room. This is my turtle tank you see behind me. The other tank behind me, which is my fish tank, my goldfish tank. So I have a Dollar Tree haul right here. I'm hoping that this video doesn't stop because I believe it just stopped. I'm doing this on my cell phone right now, so I don't know. But I have a Dollar Tree haul and the lighting is terrible in here, so I hope you can see it good enough. The first thing, I got this gold bell. I thought this was so cute. And I'm going to hang this outside on my railing. It's glittery at the bottom and it has a hanger thing on it. So I thought that was really cute. So I got that. Then I got these. They light up. They have a little button on the back with a little light. I don't think they're very bright. To me, they're not. So, see. I don't think they're very bright. But, I don't know. So I got the little snowman. This one, the little penguin. And the Santa. That's all the ones that they had. And I got all three of those. And I thought they were really cute. So I did get those, the three that they had. Because I have 3 steps. And I was going to try to get a flower pot and maybe paint it white or red or something. And glue them to the top and sit them on there so they'll look taller. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. But since I have 3 steps, I thought that would be really cute to put those on there. And then they had these. They stick in the yard. So I hope they all work. Got the snowman. The Santa. And I got 2 of each of these. The snowman and the Santa. And I also, they did have the lights. They have the light up ones. If I mean not the light up ones, but the light bulb ones. And I just got 2 of those. They had different colors. I don't know why I got just these 2 colors. Maybe I should have got all the colors or 2 of the same. I don't know, but since I got 2 of each of these, I just got 2 of the light bulbs too. I don't know, but we'll see. I only got those many because I have the candy canes also that light up, and I got so many of those from last year. So and I might not even use like all those lights because I do have a big gazebo in my yard, and also like on the side it's like a she shed. I call it my she shed. And I have like my swing in there, and it's really cute. But so I have all that in there also. So I don't know. I may put lights around it. I don't know how I'm gonna do all that yet. And then I did get some garland, and I got 2 of those. 2 packs of the gold, and I thought this was pretty because it has little designs inside of them. And these are going to go around my banister outside. It's going to go wrapped around my banister, and I'm going to hang that gold bell on the front of it, and it's going to have lights going around it also. So I got 2 of those. They had so many different ones. I wanted to do the red. They had the red and gold mix. They had the ombre colors, but I just got the gold. I thought it would look better solid because last year I did red and gold, but I just wanted to do the salad this year. So I got that. And as you can tell, everything pretty much is like gold. That's been my colors every year, gold, red, and gold. When I do my walkthrough, you'll see everything. My wreath that I made on my front door is gold. And my kitchen is red and gold. So I got most of my table completed, but I wanted to add something else. So I went and got some chargers. I have 4 scenes on my table. It's red. I mean, it's red. It's round. So I got 4 of these, 4 chargers. And I made a tier tray in the middle, and I use these, but I use red. So the tier tray that I have, you will see that also when I do my walkthrough, it's red. So I got these gold ones to go around. And I also have like little green glass bowls that'll sit inside this. And then I have clear glass bowls that'll inside the green ones. So I just wanted something else. And I also have them sitting, it's like the colors are gold, red, green, no, gold, red, gold, green, and clear. Those are the place setting colors. And let's see what else we have. I got this. It's a little flashlight. I just got that as a gift to put in someone's gift. These come in really handy. I love those. I have them all over the house in every room because you never know when the lights will go out or when you'll need a flashlight or anything. So I got that. And what else? Oh, no, that came from Walmart. That'll come in a second. I'm going to hide that in the bag. Okay. And to go on my coffee bar, I love hazelnut, so I got the I guess I can only do videos on here in so many minutes or segments because it keeps stopping, so I'm going to have to edit and put the videos together. So I'm getting a camcorder soon, so we'll figure that out. But I have a tablet like right here, so I don't know why I didn't use it. I just didn't feel like plugging it in and going through all that. But I got the coffee creamer, hazelnut. Since I love hazelnut, I've never had this brand. I've never had coffee creamer from the Dollar Tree, but I guess it would taste just like any other. And then I got these 2-pack of soft white light bulbs from the Dollar Tree as well. And they are 60 watt 2-pack. I usually like my wattage to be a little more, but I guess it's okay. I've never used those from the Dollar Tree, but we'll try them. And then I got some of this vanilla chai tea. I've heard that it was really good, so I wanted to try that. And that will go on my coffee hot chocolate bar. And then last I got from the Dollar Tree was some of these pans for when I cook for Thanksgiving. They come 2 to a pack. So I got those. And that is all I got from the Dollar Tree. Now moving on to Walmart. I got a few things from Walmart. The things that I'm not going to show that I got from Walmart were just a few groceries, and that's lunch meat they had on sale, deli meat. It was like $1, $2, $1.68. I got a pack for $1.68 and then a pack for $2.08, and that was just like roasted turkey breast. And then I got some green leaf lettuce and cucumbers. That's it. And then I got these candles. They got vanilla. And these were only 94 cents. And they smell so good. And they had them in the bigger version. But I got the small ones because I want to see like how long the scent will last and everything. And if I really like them, I'll go back and get more. And this one, it smells so good. Let me tell you what scent it is. Give me a second. Yes, I put on my glasses. This is hazelnut cream. So, yeah, this is the hazelnut cream. And though me and the lady was standing up there, it was like, what smells so good? Because some of the bigger candles had the top, excuse me, with the holes in them. And they smell so good. And I just had to get it and try it because it smelled really good. And then I got this. Because when I plug in I need to, screw this in outside the porch light and then put a light bulb in it. And I have colored light bulbs. I have red and blue and different colors. And you plug your Christmas lights or extension cord up to it. That way when you turn on your porch light, you can just turn all the lights on together and don't have to. It's like putting it on a timer. Except I don't have a timer, so I'll just turn my porch light on from in the house and control everything the same way. And then I got some of these Panasonic. I've already put 2 in some LED lights, Panasonic batteries. And I just used these cheaper ones in those those LED Christmas lights, and used those. And they had these fall cups. I got a Christmas one too, but I had got it like a few weeks ago. It's in there. But you will see it when I show you my coffee bar. But I love these. I love them. It said the leaves are falling, so autumn is calling. And it's like the size of like 1 can of soda with ice. That's how I describe it. It's supposed to be meant for hot drinks, but I put ice in it and drink cold stuff, tea, anything in these. I love them. I really love them. I should have got more of these, and I probably will go back and get more because they restocked and had a lot of them left. But that sums up my haul. So thank you guys for watching. I have so many more hauls. There's so many hauls I could have been doing. I just wasn't thinking, and so many more things to bring to you all. So thanks for watching.